You can definitely increase your credit score with TransUnion. Remove any negative and inaccurate accounts in your credit reports. Pay down your credit cards. Make sure that if you have any late payments and things like that, get that removed. Pay your bills on time. And those simple things right there can increase your TransUnion credit score. And also, do not forget like inquiries. A lot of times, I told you guys about me going to the dealership and the dealership just running my name, give me all those inquiries. I did not authorize that. You go to the dealership, you let them know, hey, I just authorize you to pull it from 2 different companies, because some of these dealerships, they don't care. They're trying to get money. They're trying to sell a car. So they'll run your name through the world. If they had to, you'll have 40 inquiries when you leave out of there. And removing inquiries can definitely help you. You can increase your credit score from not only TransUnion, but Equifax and Experian too. That's something that I teach you guys in the 60 points in 60 days. You just need to figure out what's the different things that's going to increase your credit score for TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, because it's definitely possible that you guys can actually do